My hair is a mess, a hot mess. After a braid out for more than a week, yup, your girl is gonna get her hair up in one. So stay tuned. So now I'll be adding gel. I'll be adding a whole bunch because when I get back from the mall, I will be washing my hair. Yup. Today is my wash day, so I'm plastering it with the gel because I know it's gonna wash right out. If my hair was clean, I wouldn't do this. And this is pretty easy. I think this is what every girl or most girls can do, so it's nothing for me to explain, just something to watch. I have the sleek low bun on my YouTube channel, and I will link that one if you're interested to check it out. As I said, it's something that's pretty easy that everybody can do. As you can see, I am working on stretched hair. Yeah.
And I'll be using this to catch my hair up into a big poof. My hair is super thick, guys. That's one quality about my hair that I love, the thickness.
My hair is super duper thick. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'm definitely not gonna wear it in a big poof. I could wear it like this because it's super cute, but I'm gonna pin it up because outside is freaking hot. We'll be using these gold pins to pin it up. I'll take off. I want it to be big and fluffy, the rolls, so I am taking big sections. And then when I roll it up, I'll just use the pin and just push it under and pin the hair in place. And that's the first one. On to the second one. Show you again. I am going to roll my hair up and under. Then pin it in place. When you're finished, guys, this is something that you can play around with. Make it fluffier if you like it fluffier, neater if you'd like it neater. It's all about how you like your hair to look, what you're going for, right? That's the back one. I like that Instagram has this feature. You don't really have to worry about turning your camera the other way. I like that. Voila! This one, I think I need it to look a little bigger. So that's how it looks, guys. Like a flower. No, it's pretty sleek. I'm not gonna mess with it. Now to jazz it up a little bit, I'm going to add some hairpins. Thinking at the front, I have some jewel. I need to get them. So could add one going like that. It's not even the popping gold, but it will work. then one like that, so like a X with it. It's not showing much on camera. Then I'm gonna put one to the back. Last year, this was like a in thing. Everybody was using colored bobby pins to design their hair, and I loved it. I adored it. So I made an X at the back as well. I'm gonna add some jewel. I think I'm gonna add one right here in the flower, and one right here, right? Then I'll probably just add one right at the front. Oh no, how much I like it. Then I have one left, and I'll add it to the back, right like in the center at the back, and that's it. I need the dollar, beat it up at Piñón. Ooh, that's the last step. Get that shine. So guys, this is the result, and I'm heading on the road right now. So comment and let me know if you love this bun, if you would try it. It's pretty easy, and yeah, check out my YouTube channel. It's Candyapplemomo. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell beside it, so you stay notified every time I upload my new videos. And they're also in my Instagram bio. The link you see there is to my YouTube channel.